Have you been yearning for the peace and quiet of country life, but you're not willing to give up the convenience of the city? Well, this West St. Paul home could be perfect for you. Just look at all that sunlight warming the hardwood floors that run throughout this whole area. The open plan design makes it perfect for families and for entertaining. Set out the canapes on the island here, or maybe watch the kids doing their homework. Open up those sliding doors that lead out to the gazebo to get the summer breeze, or warm your feet by the fire on those cold winter nights. Loads of space for a growing family here too. 3 bedrooms. And of course an ensuite through that door in the master bedroom. Let's head downstairs. It's a fully finished basement, but loads of opportunity for you to add your own personal touches. I can see a movie theater or a games room around here. And of course the wet bar for when the Jets make the playoffs next year and you can have everybody over. Plenty of space inside, even more out here. You're on almost 2/3 of an acre here, so there's space for a vegetable patch, a lawn, but look at that pool. It's a south-facing yard, so you're going to get lots of sunlight. Enjoy it on your deck, or if you want a bit of shade, you've got the covered gazebo too. What's fantastic about this family-friendly neighborhood is you're just a couple of minutes walk away from a school, close enough to walk, not so close that you hear the traffic. And 2 minutes down the road, you have all the shopping convenience you could ask for. There are a couple of different fast food options for a Friday night, and you've got the Sobeys and the liquor store for those sneaky Saturday afternoon barbecues. So if you're looking for the quiet, family-friendly, small-town vibe with all the convenience of being minutes from the city, Garrett Parker is waiting for your call.